Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the ASUS TUF Gaming A15. Like the name says, this is a tough laptop. It's very strong, very reliable. Just from the outside, the casing, you can tell that it's very well protected. It has an aluminum top, which is very sturdy and very strong. My favorite feature about the laptop is how fast it charges. It basically takes about an hour to fully charge from zero battery. So I really appreciate that it charges super fast, especially if you're on the go, if you're traveling. It has a really good screen, the image is crisp, the colors are very vibrant, and you appreciate that even more when you're gaming. I like that even though it's a bigger computer, it's not too heavy. It's very light, you can carry it with you anywhere, especially if you're traveling. You can fit it in any backpack. And I also like that it has ports for basically anything. It has in one side the power cord, the internet port, HDMI, two USBs, USB-C, a port for your headphones, and also another USB on the side. I use it mostly for video editing, for gaming, for office work, and it runs very, very smooth. It doesn't freeze on me, which I really appreciate, especially when I'm working. So if you're looking for a very good quality laptop that you can use for any task, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.